Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to back up your QuickBooks Online data. Having a reliable backup of your financial information is essential for protecting your business records and ensuring you can recover important data if something goes wrong. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, go ahead and open your browser and navigate to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can access all of QuickBooks features and settings. Now look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll see the gear icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu with various account and company settings. From this menu, locate and select Export Data, which you'll find under the Tools section. This is where QuickBooks allows you to create backups of your financial information. Once you're in the Export Data section, you'll need to choose the appropriate date range for the data you want to back up. This could be the current month, quarter, year, or a custom range depending on what you need to preserve. Selecting the right date range ensures you're capturing all the relevant transactions and records for your backup. Next, you'll see options to select the type of data you want to export. QuickBooks gives you flexibility here, allowing you to choose specific information such as reports, lists, or transactions. Depending on your needs, you might want to export everything or just certain categories of data. Make your selections carefully to ensure you're backing up what matters most. After you've made your selections, click the Export to Excel button. This initiates the export process and tells QuickBooks to create an export file containing all the data you've specified. The system will begin preparing your backup immediately. Now you'll need to wait for the export process to complete. QuickBooks Online will work in the background to compile all your selected data into a zip file. This might take a few moments depending on how much information you're backing up, so be patient while it processes. Once the export is complete, the zip file will be ready for download. Save this file to your computer, but don't stop there. For extra security, it's crucial to save a copy of the backup file to an external storage device like a flash drive or external hard drive. This protects you from computer failures and gives you an additional layer of security for your financial records. Finally, remember that backing up your data shouldn't be a one-time task. Make it a habit to repeat this backup process regularly, whether that's weekly, monthly, or quarterly, depending on your business activity. Regular backups ensure your QuickBooks Online data stays secure and recoverable. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.